Welcome to Engiarch, a channel on engineering. The engineering and construction industry is one of the largest industry. Every aspect of life that surrounds us is a form of engineering, which has made it possible. No day or project in engineering is the same, which makes it so unique, and this is what this channel will show. Bridges connecting countries and cities, high-rise buildings, schools, hospitals, houses, iconic structures, landmarks, sporting arenas and highways. All engineered for millions to use, visit or admire. With developing technology, engineering has always brought ease in millions of lives, provides a significant boost to any economy by creating jobs, increasing trade and travel, creating change in millions of lives, creating significant tourist drive in any nation, creating iconic structures and venues for many generations to not only use but to be proud of. Engineering not only produces breathtaking structures and projects but most importantly creates a legacy. So join Engiarch in discovering these amazing engineering projects explained in more detail. Engiarch will show previous projects worked on, from inception to completion, live project being worked on. If you like a good development project, this is the place. Watching a project develop into something amazing, exclusive access to some of the top engineering project taking place, also interesting site visits showing a day in the life of an engineer. Or a simple DIY project watching along from start to finish. Or join Engiarch on renovation projects around the world, coming on the journey with Engiarch, creating high-quality finished renovation projects for the clients and you to enjoy the process and journey. Also, for fellow engineers, join Engiarch in how to use the very softwares to design these amazing projects that are then created, or to gain experience or learn in using these software to further develop your skills. If you want to see the latest mega project that are taking place in the world, Engiarch will take you through the projects, how they were made, why they were made, and the process that was involved. There are many mega engineering projects that are really pushing the very boundaries of engineering and taking engineering projects to new heights, which is truly breathtaking and has such positive impact on the world today, with new technology and techniques being used. Incredible engineering and design structures explained as you see the Burj Khalifa, world tallest building, Taipei 101, another great engineering design where it is an earthquake-proof skyscraper, just to name a few. Centuries-old structures which different countries are known for. The history, the design and engineering explained surrounding these structures and the very reason as to why these are special structures. Engiarch will show iconic structures around the world. If that is what interests you, iconic structures, facts and information explained, then this is the place for you, and many different iconic structures will be shown and explained which many people who visit in their millions yearly. If engineering is not for you, sporting arenas and stadiums, Engiarch will show different sporting arenas, existing and new, whether that be football, cricket, Formula 1 circuits or any other sport. Engineering and the sports industry, when both industry collaborate, truly iconic structures and design are made where iconic sporting moment are made, inspiring generations. Incredible engineered structures around the world to visit. Engiarch will show these incredible structures for all engineering enthusiasts, people who love to travel and visit amazing structures, or whom enjoy interesting project and to learn, or those who love iconic sporting venues to gain a further respect of its design. Engiarch channel is for all by the project and content shown. Join Engiarch on its journey. Also, any help on any project needed, Engiarch is here to help. Subscribe for more.